Hey all, Assalamu alaikum. So I thought this time I would upload the video in English, and with this note, so you're looking at the market hall where the things can be purchased, and first in the entrance you can see some flour sifters, mixing bowls and serving trays, some tumblers, clear glass bottle with stopper, and some mugs collection, carafe, and then jar with tap, and then some set of glass tumblers and mugs, then kettles, some glass bottles with stoppers. They have a huge variety of very classic and unique tumblers and mugs collection. They are not only aesthetic but they are also quite very sturdy. And here you can see some soap dispensers, and then some towels, tea towels. So here you can find the prices of few products. So I have covered up as much as I can, and then moving on, here you can see so much of mugs collections, and in various different colors they have. And here you can see flask, and you can look at the price also. The prices are very reasonable, and the products are also very classy. And moving ahead, here you have some plate collection, so that is the crockery collection all over here. So some side plates, some basic serving plates and trays. So everything was arranged in this particular section. And here you can find a very classy bowls in various different colors, and they were really very pleasing to look at, and they were of good quality as well. And then moving on, here you can find some bowls also below the some steel bowls below this compartment. You can see some steel bowls over there. And then I picked up few items, few crockery items also. And here you can see some glass tumblers of some colors, which can hold both cold and hot liquids in it. And next, moving on, we have some cushions. That is, we have some cushions, pads, cushion covers, and chair pads. Everything was there in this particular section. So moving from that, you can see some floor mats over here, and they have bath towels as well in this section. So here you can see again some clear glass soap dispensers. So I have picked up some 3 to 4 dispensers, and here you have toilet brushes, and from there if you move on, you can see so much of storage boxes with the lids, and these are all kind of dispensers and tumblers. So next you are looking at some desk organizers to arrange on the files and magazines on your table. And then here you can see so much of huge big storage boxes with lids. They have a huge collection of storage boxes in various dimensions and sizes. can see the crate with the wheels, and then these are all the kinds of various kinds and types of boxes, and here they have some pots, and these kind of storage boxes are very fancy with some wooden lids. And then moving on, here you can see some artificial plants, and so in this section they have totally filled up with so much of lightings and lamps. You could see floor lamp, ceiling lamps, as well as table lamps over here. And these lamps are, so I was totally astonished these variety of lamps collection over here. I couldn't take my eyes off from any one of them. If you see the pendant lamp or any lamp, I couldn't take my eyes off from these collections. They have such a lovely collection over here. And then moving from there, here you could see some mirror collections and photo frames. So they have full white, then full black, and again in different sizes. So the prices will vary according to the size of the frame. And then moving from there, here you could see a huge variety of artificial plants over here. And so finally I visited the pots and pans section, which I missed earlier, but since it was closing time, I was in a hurry, so I couldn't shoot up that particular area. So with this, the video comes to an end, and next upcoming video will be my IKEA haul, in which I will be showing all the things which I purchased from IKEA, and I am really very excited to share the video with you all. Hope you all liked this video and enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell button and the all option to get notified of all my upcoming interesting videos. So till I catch up you all with my next video, until then, stay safe, spread positivity and happiness, and take care. Bye bye.